Hello students, welcome back to Mathacad YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about arithmetic progressions. In previous grades, you have learned about number patterns. A number pattern when indicated as a list, it is called a sequence of numbers or a sequence. Let's consider the following sequence. 3, 8, 13 and 18. Right? In this sequence, the first term is 3, the second term is 8, third term is 13, fourth term is 18 and so on. There is a special feature for this sequence. Consider two consecutive terms. Let's take 8 and 13 or 3 and 8. I subtract the first term from the second term. That means 8 minus 3 or 13 minus 8 or 18 minus 13. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 5. It is a constant value. Answer will be 5 minus 3, 5, 13 minus 8, 5, 18 minus 13, 5. It's a constant value. Let's consider another sequence. Let's consider 8, 5, 2, minus 1 and minus 4. We will consider consecutive two terms. We will consider 8 and 5, 5 and 2, 2 and minus 1, or minus 1 and minus 4. So 5 minus 8 or 2 minus 5, minus 1 minus 2, minus 4 minus 1. What will be the answer? 5 minus 8. So here larger number is 8. The smaller number is 5. So the sign is negative. Difference is 3 minus 3. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Minus 4 minus 1 means minus 3. It's a constant value. Sequences having this feature are called arithmetic progressions. Sequences having this feature are called arithmetic progressions. Sequences that has a common difference. This constant value is called common difference of this number pattern or this arithmetic progression. If a sequence has a common difference like minus 3 here, we call those sequences the name arithmetic progression. That's the thing I want you to understand from this. Right? Now we are going to consider a few examples. Now we are going to consider a few examples. Here we have been given some sequences. We are going to determine whether each of these is an arithmetic progression. Right? So we will find the difference between two consecutive terms. Okay, first example is, what are the terms? 9, 11, 13 and 16. So what is the difference between these two terms? 11 minus 9 equals 2. Here 13 minus 11 is equal to 2. Here 16 minus 13 is equal to 3. So what is your conclusion? Here difference is 2. Between these two terms difference is 2, but between these 16 and 13 difference is 3. So there is no common difference between the terms, so this is not a arithmetic progression, right? This cannot be considered as an arithmetic progression because there is no common difference between the consecutive terms. Let's go to the next example. -8, -5, -1 and 2. What is the common difference? -5 minus -8. -5 minus -8 equals -5 plus 8 equals 3. What is the common difference here? -1 minus -5. That means -1 plus 5. That means 4. So here difference is 3. Between these two terms difference is 4. So this is not an arithmetic progression. 2.5, 2.55, 2.555, 2.555. What is the common difference between these two terms? 2.55 minus 2.5. 5 minus 0, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Decimal point. 2 minus 2, 0. Between these two terms, 2.555 minus 2.55. 5 minus 0, 0, 0.0. So the difference is not common. So this is not an arithmetic progression. Question number 4. 5 half, 5 3/4, 6, 6 half, and that's it. What is the difference between these two terms? 5 3/4 minus 5 1/2 equals 5 minus 5, 0, then 3/4 minus 1/2 equal 1/4. Right? What is the difference between these two terms? It's 6 minus 5 3/4. 1/4 is the difference between these two terms. 6 half minus 6 is 1/2. So what is the conclusion? 1/2, 1/4 and 1/4. The differences are not common, so this is not an arithmetic progression. Last example. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. What do you think? What is the difference between these two terms? -1 minus 1 equal -2. Between these two terms, 1 minus -1, 1 plus 1, 2. Here difference is 2. Between these two terms difference is -2. Then the difference is not common, so this is not an arithmetic progression. Okay students, hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.